Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Hello YouTube world, my name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. I don't know why you came back, but I'm sure glad you did. I just want to go over one thing that sold. I've had a couple other things sell, but I'm not shipping it out till tomorrow. But this is a Beatles Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club band. It's 22 karat gold rim. It's got the COA with it. I don't want to pull it out. I've sold quite a few of these. These were awesome. I think I might have figured it up. I paid like $1 something a piece for them. And this went for $29.95. Went out to California, plus shipping on top. What's great about this is it's nice. I have these. You alright, Will? I have these big pad bubble mailers. I can throw it in there. And makes it easy. It'll cost about $7.50 to $8.50 to ship out, but grind on, friends. I want to go over a couple more things that sold. Some of them didn't pay, but this one's a Saquon Barkley Prizm. It says Rookie Select. I bought a bunch of Giants breaks back last year for next to nothing. Got a lot of his, so I got these for next to nothing, probably $1 a piece. Good sale. And another one was this Chiefs Fireworks Optic Prizm. Pretty cool looking card. It's a special insert. It's not the best brand in the world, but it's pretty good. And it went for $21.95. Pretty good deal. It would have sold for about the same in my antique mall booth. But these are just a couple things that sold last night.
I'm your Huckleberry. Say when.
Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.